Here's a KLEEMANN Atlas Gigas MRL Traction lift at Soda Factory at West End. I don't know what fixtures these are. Here's the cabinet. Here it comes. Here it is. Go to B2.
Doors closing.
Cab view. 1600 kilos, 21 persons, made in 2021.
Basement 2. Doors opening.
Go to G.
Doors closing.
Call cancel. No.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
You are G. We'll go to B2 and hop out.
Doors closing.
There's the cleaning badge. Someone please let me know in the description. I'll put the button name in it.
Basement 2.
Here we are.
Doors opening.
That's it.